Yo, what's up YouTube? My name is August and today I'm gonna talk about cheaper alternatives for popular fashion items, part 2. You really liked the last one, so I thought why not do a second part. So without further ado, let's get into it. First off, everyone's favorite piece of clothing for summer 2023, jorts. There are a lot of good brands out there that sell really good jorts, for instance Carharrt and BigBoy, but these are a bit on the pricier side, I think. Both are really good quality and they will probably last you a lifetime, so it might actually be worth paying the around $100 for the shorts. But if you're not willing to pay that much, I have an alternative for you. Personally, the one I bought are the weekday Galaxy shorts. These cost me 40 bucks and I really like the fit of it. Another option is of course the thrift, where you can get these Carhartt and BigBoy jeans if you're lucky, and you'll probably also get them for around the same price I paid for the new one, so around 40 bucks. At least here in Oslo that's what Carhartt shorts sell for. Next up we have shirts. I recently saw a Stussy drop where they had like a flannel type of shirt and it cost $200, and I was like, why would anyone pay that much for a flannel shirt? And the cheaper alternative for this, and I think really the only alternative, is thrift. There's always in every single thrift shop a rack or multiple racks with flannels, and these, at least in Oslo, are always the cheapest items in the store. They usually only cost like 5, 10, 15 bucks, which is insane. It's such a good deal. Moving on to summer shirts. And a lot of people like the look of designer shirts for some reason, like the Prada chambray shirt, which costs around $1,000, which is crazy. Here the best option is probably something like Zara or Uniqlo, where you can get shirts that look exactly the same basically, just without the logo, for around 40 bucks. Next up, I have a sponsor for today's video, Samos Jewelry. The people over at Samos Jewelry was super kind and sent me over a few bracelets to try out. The brand kind of focuses on that minimalism and kind of adventure lifestyle, which I'm all for. I love it. They also claim that their bracelets are super durable and supposed to last a long time, which from what I can see seems to be true. This first one here is a cuff bracelet called Amaka. The next one I got is this pearl bracelet, which I really like. It's called Talavera. The next one is this one here. It's called Ahuas. Lastly, I got this green cuff bracelet, which is super cool. It's called Calafate. Thank you so much, Samos, and if you would like to get some bracelets yourself, please use the code on screen, and let's move on with the video. Next up, one of TikTok's favorite shoes of all time, I think. The Birkenstock Bostons. They're really cool and I do really like them, but they're kind of pricey at 160 bucks, I think. You do pay for really great quality though, so I would say it's worth it. But if you don't want to spend that much money, I have an alternative for you. I found these ones on Zalando. They're from Pier 1 and called Leather Unisex. They look exactly the same as the Bostons. Probably not as comfortable, I would say. But if you're just going for the look, they look great. These cost 40 bucks on Zalando. Next up, Maison Margiela GAT, or the German army trainer. These shoes are so cool, but they cost around $500 and that's a lot to spend on a shoe. So the perfect alternative is the Adidas Samba. The Adidas Sambas are beautiful and are timeless, and these will only cost you 120 bucks. Next we have shades or sunglasses. You have seen a lot of your favorite influencers or celebrities wear these Prada shades. They look really cool, but they cost around $300, I think. And there's really no need to be spending that on sunglasses. My favorite place to get unique looking sunglasses are actually the gas station. Here you can find so many cool ones that no one else have. And it's also so fun to just go with a friend and just pick up some random sunglasses and then just look fly. Lastly, we have really any designer crossbody bag. Personally, I think they're really ugly and it looks like you're just trying to flex on everybody. And no one really cares, man. And these will range from 500 to even thousands of dollars. Not worth it in my opinion. What is worth it though is the Uniqlo drawstring bag. This is a bit different from just a normal crossbody bag, but I think it's so much cooler. It really adds to your like silhouette. And this costs 40 bucks. So that's it for today's video. If there's any other expensive fashion items that you would like me to find cheaper or more affordable alternatives to, please let me know in the comments. And as always, please drop a like, it helps a ton, and make sure to subscribe. And as always, if you made it all the way to the end, you're a real one. Thank you. Bye.